I'm here to show you I'm here on the 4th of July showing people, show you fireworks. But isn't using fireworks in the city illegal?
Yes.
It's illegal.
So
They could get arrested.
Over at the...
Oh, but I want to use this one to make a video. And that one's full of video space. So you can give that one to Josh for now. I just had Dad give Josh my iPod and I'm using his to make a video and mine's out of video space. Till we go back to Grandma Sherry's because Dad brought the computer. Handy Dad brought the computer. Makes me feel sorry I said some mean things to him yesterday. Now, the days flash by. Hours go by. Car!
Big blanket. Anybody want some?
My hair's over. Oh, no. There's a tree in the background. I thought it was my hair. I'm like, dang, my hair's a mess, but it wasn't my hair. It was the tree. That's funny. Hey, Mom. Say hello. Or not. Mom doesn't like being on camera. She's camera shy. I just don't see how someone can be camera shy because being on camera is awesome. You get to pose like this. Isaiah likes being on camera. Yeah, Isaiah. Fireworks! Where are they? Poop. I missed them. I'm sorry, Isaiah. I can't film you anymore. I've got to roam the skies for fireworks. Star! Roam the skies for tree fireworks. I don't know, Josh, but I'm using your iPod to make a video. Smile. Smile what? I can't make a video? Well, you can use mine.
Okay.
Fine. Trade. Virtuosity. Boom. Oh, wait. Boom. There we go. Now you're on camera. What are you doing? No, you're supposed to pose like this. You can't see my hands. Ooh. Don't stick out your tongue. Come on, show us the fireworks. Show us the fireworks. Show us the fireworks.
What time is it?
I can't look at it basically.
It's 11:27.
Joshua, mine is still on Texas time, so it's 9:27.
I saw a green one.
It is 9:27 in California.
I know.
It's 11:27.
That's what I was saying. Is mine is still on Texas time, so it's 9:20. Yes, he's got mine.
I got a I saw some fireworks. A green one.
Joshua's is already auto set to California time, but I never bothered to set mine to California time. I've just been thinking 2 hours back.
I want the fireworks.
Dad's playing Angry Birds. I'm like, if he gets to play Angry Birds, then I get to use an iTouch. Hey, look, there's Grandma in the background. Hey, Grandma, you're in the background of my camera shot. Would you like to meet my non-existent audience? Whoa.
Bright light.
Whiteness. Darkness. 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 Whiteness or not. No whiteness, just darkness in my face.
I heard some.
Hey, Grandma, you want me to introduce you to my non-existent audience on my camera?
I heard some, but they were somewhere else.
I'm gonna do it. You want me to show my non-existent audience on my camera, you? Okay.
Hey, listen to me.
I took them off because they had soda.
Watch out for those weasels.
Okay then, I won't. Hey, doggy! You're on camera! You don't mind. Okay. Okay. Whoa. It's like he's flying. It's like slow motion jump. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, Grandma, say hi.
Hi. Are you videotaping this?
Yes.
You are?
You don't mind that, do you?
No, I don't. You gonna interview me? Oops, look.
Oh, there it is.
Did you catch that? Did you catch that, audience? Okay, I've got to be ready. I'm ready.
Watch
I'm
out
ready.
for those weeds. Go get your shoes on.
But I can't. They have soda on them because I accidentally spilled the soda. I'm going to film the fireworks. Is it illegal to film fireworks?
No.
Okay, good.
Guess what, Haley? I saw a yellow one. I never saw a
They sound like they're coming from all directions except for that way. Little kid over there says fireworks. Baby, fireworks. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. I'm gonna be doing that a lot during this video. I wonder if Tobuscus has a 4th of July fireworks video. Hello, people!
Hello, fireworks.
I'm not a... I'm trying to get it on camera.
Pause it for now because it's not really getting much action.
Well,
Battery.
I'll wait until it does. I'm sure this thing has plenty of batteries. It's been plugged in. I plugged it in when I was making a video in which I filmed my iPod's video and then commented on my own commentary video where I was commenting about Zelda as I was playing Zelda. It was awesome.
Okay.
Link in the description. Just kidding. Link in the description reference. The theoretical link in the description reference. Again.
I saw a yellow
I'm
one.
just going to say link in the description because I think Josh is playing Cut the Roof. That game is so fun. I've beaten all the levels, but I'm going back and trying to get 3 stars.
Yellow one.
Did you get that? Did you get that? I'm going to stop paying attention to you and just let you look at the stars.
Green and yellow. Did you saw?
Yes, it was green, yellow, greenness, yellowness, darkness, greenness, darkness, redness, yellowness.
They are.
Well, people like to break the law for the sake of having fireworks.
Hey Chuck, where are yours?
Baby, show your fireworks, even if it means breaking the law and becoming a criminal. No,
this
we
one
could
won.
go to jail.
What state did you buy them?
We went from Texas all the way here, but
Darkness.
Colorado,
No, she means
More
where'd you buy the
darkness.
fireworks in Nevada.
No more darkness and stars. You know, there really aren't that many stars in the sky right now.
Where are the fireworks?
We stopped in a town where they had fireworks, gas, and a brothel. That's it.
What? What's a brothel?
No, Lucky Lady or
Okay.
I'll talk to you about it in like
It's something where they have inappropriate stuff, isn't it? Like drugs and
well, I don't know about that.
sex or something.
Jessica, I want to hear the explanation now.
I don't know. I'm just guessing.
How come you spelled it?
Because I didn't want to say it.
You spelled it loud enough.
He said they have inappropriate things, S-E-X.
Hey, I didn't say the word.
Well, we're just
discrimination
waiting for
for
your
not
mom to explain things.
I mean, I know the word. Most kids my age do know the
I
word.
just wasn't expecting you to spell it out really loud like that.
Where
Good, good, good. I'll spell it again if you want me to. This video has been going for 8 minutes and 38 seconds.
I don't remember.
5.
Cut the world music in.
There are no fireworks.
My volume turned up really loud. Yeah, that's because they're none coming right now. They sound like explosions. Hey, doggy. Hello again, doggy. You're on camera again. You don't understand me, because dogs don't speak human, and humans don't speak dog. If they did, they could go woof, 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 woof. I wonder if she thinks I'm a dog. Maybe just woof, 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 woof. Man, I'd love it if the dog was like, wah, 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 where's the dog? And then it's just me going, woof, woof, woof. That would be funny. Well, Dad, I see you're playing Anchor Birds.
Can't get this level.
Oh, I've played this level before. It's
Get the
it's
highest
hard.
scoring level though. It's
Hard.
impossible.
Oh, that could have been it. Maybe,
No.
possibly.
Can't get
Eee, that looks
I
hard.
almost have to shoot that bird just to kill more stuff. You
Well,
need to
but
get
if-
it in one shot, basically, which I don't know how to do unless you get
You
This
can't do
shot,
that unless you get
perfect.
extremely lucky.
Right through there like that, and it gets all the way
And
down.
it doesn't work. And it didn't work that time. Time for me to go back and sit down in case I'm missing the fireworks. Don't want to miss more fireworks. This fit.
Isaiah's? Maybe you're talking about Isaiah's.
Didn't see it. This video always getting long. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna stop this video, then record another one, and when the fireworks actually start showing frequently, and then if I ever do post these on YouTube, I'll combine the two videos together, or just delete this one. I don't know. Okay, arrivederci. See you in 5 minutes or longer.
You don't need to be that
give or take. I don't know. At least half an hour. I'm pretty sure. If it takes longer than half an hour, I'm gonna say this sucks. Go back to my house. Arrivederci.